Tired of your colorful Instagram chats clashing with your vibe? Or maybe you just missed the classic look? Let's dive into how to effortlessly switch your Instagram chat theme back to the default. First things first, open up your Instagram app and navigate to your direct messages. You'll want to find the specific chat you want to revert. Tap on the chat to open it up. Once you're inside the chat, look at the very top. You should see the name of the person or group you're chatting with. Tap on their username or the group name displayed right there. This will take you to the chat settings or information screen. Here, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find the theme option. It might be represented by a small color swatch or an icon related to colors. Go ahead and tap on theme. You'll now see a selection of different chat themes that Instagram offers. Scroll through these until you spot the one labeled default. It usually has a very clean, simple look. Select the default theme. As soon as you tap it, you'll notice the chat immediately changes back to the original, familiar Instagram look, instantly reverting all those customizations you might have made. And that's it. Your Instagram chat is now back to its original, default theme, giving you a consistent and classic chatting experience. Easy peasy.